Oh, wait a minute. Ah!
Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. We have ventured back to Rancho Cucamonga. Now, this one is actually a different location. We are here at a historical winery for summer spook nights. Yes, haunt season is here. We're gonna be definitely checking out some vendors, definitely checking out the cosplay, and have some spooky fun. So if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get our spooks on here at Summer Spook Nights. Let's go. Right off the bat, we have the one, the only Danny Spooky Treats Boo. Oh my gosh, Danny brings the punch, man. Look at all his chamoy. It's truly and utterly like no other. Oh, look at his mango. Only here at Danny Spooky Treats. Time for FX Faces. Holy cow, the prosthetics in this booth is truly incredible. I love every bit of these incredible masks. One of these days, you might see Adventures with David sport one of these masks. It's absolutely so intricate, so detailed. Oh man, the teeth on that scared me a little bit. Oh man, look at those teeth. So incredible. Definitely going out and scope them out at every single vendor. And also, you can definitely, oh my gosh, it's him. It's a spooky slayer. Oh my gosh, he found me. Ah! Eddie, look out. Because we all know FX brings the fangs. That's so cool. I love seeing the fangs there. Oh my gosh, it's Michael. Hi. Time for some freeze-dried candy. Look at that. There's all different sorts of candy to choose from. Wow. We actually got a few bags and we actually pretty much love it. Oh, wow. Definitely going out and scope them out. Look at that's their Instagram. Now it's time to adopt a monster. Yes. So cool. The art of how it's incredible at adopting little cute monsters. Wow. Even in this crazy storm, you can still adopt a monster like him. So cool. I love that. Oh, you had little ones too. They got little boos. Oh my gosh, he's back.
Oh, wait a minute. Ah!
Oh, Dreadful Cutie. Oh my gosh, Dreadful Cute is so cute and so adorable. Everything you guys need to be dreadfully cute. Now, this design company, Party Design, is so cool. Look at their earrings, man. My daughter's going to absolutely love those. Guarantee it. And then look at that. Some keychains, more keychains. And man, their artistic ability is truly like no other. I love the Mickey Boos, the Mickey Pumpkins. And they also have different types of, art displays. So cool. Going out and scope them out. They even have ornaments for your spooky tree, if you do have a spooky tree at home. And don't forget, they got slashers though too. Oh, just like me, a Squirtle Cat. Dude, this place is so cool. I see them back over at HorrorCon and they got some stickers, but man, their plushies, let me actually go, okay, there we go. Their plushies right there are truly and utterly like no other. It is so cool to see all their plushes there. Look at that. All different types of their own type of characters to, oh my gosh, Pennywise and Hellraiser. Oh, Pinhead. Scary. Oh, they got Michael. Oh, and they got Ghostface. Wow, it's so cool. Going out and scope out Squirtle Cat today. But look at this. In this storm that we actually are coming up, it is so great to see all the vendors come together. It's awesome. And of course, we got some Coffin Cruisers. That's them right there. Oh my gosh, that's spooky. So cool. If you love skateboards, this is your one-stop shop. But don't use that Ouija board though. Oh, it's Michael. Whoa. Oh, it's Michael. All right. I'm gonna leave you alone. Yes, I know. Oh, there's two of you guys. I'm out. All right. This is the one, the only, the Bleach Cafe. Now look at that. Their stitch designs are truly like no other. They got some frills there. They got some gremlins and more fun. Oh my gosh. Is that Sid? Oh, that's right. Spirit Halloween. Definitely going out and scope out my last Spirit Halloween video, because it's like slashing good times. So cool to see the Bleach Cafe here at these events, because they do have some pins as well too. So going out and scope them out today. They have every bit of designs for you guys to choose from. Customized designs like Indiana Jones there. They got Bucky's. And they also have, oh my gosh, the Black Mamba. And the monsters. Yes, so cool to see them. And here we go. We got Made by Crystalinda. Oh man, that thing is spooky. It is so cool to see Made by Crystalinda. All her designs that she brings to these boots are so incredible. Going out and scope her out today. So incredible. I love it. But let's not forget, we have Creation Apocalypse. Man, these guys bring the haunts every place that they go. I love, oh my gosh, that's me right there every single time I go to those mazes. So cool. These are actually my favorite. These little voodoo dolls, my apps. Look at he's having so much fun. They got some coasters there too. Definitely going out and scope out Creation Apocalypse today. Okay, Twig's Morgue is absolutely terrifying, and it's perfect for the summer spook nights, because look at those dolls. They want you to go home with you. They want to attach themselves to you. Ha ha ha, Beetlejuice. Oh my gosh, that's their last customer. Wait. They have Canary, like Carrie? And they got the cute bunnies? That's spooky. That's really terrifying. Okay, what a fun highlight. Spooky Mama 13. These birdhouses are so intricate, so incredible. I seen them back over at Fear Fair. It is so awesome to see these different types. Now, what is honestly, your favorite scary movie? Let me know in the comment section below. But this is so incredible. Definitely going out and scope her out. Look at that. Those little dioramas are awesome. I love every single bit of them. Look at that. And they even have this one right here. Oh, there it is. Toil and Trouble. So if you guys haven't, get your phones out and, oh my gosh, sharks out of water. Shark out of water. But scope her out, guys, right now. Scope her out on her Instagram.
Here we go, guys. What do you got there, Nick?
A little creepy aftermath sliders.
This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Wait, one of your dolls just came alive. It's Annabelle.
And who do
goodness.
we have here? Adventures with David.
Uh-oh. Wait. You're not supposed to drink on the job, dude. You're supposed to investigate. Well, him.
Well, you know, the rules.
Don't move. You have 2 different Michaels near you. Oh my goodness. This is, oh my gosh. Oh, shoot, Grandpa. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, we know this. Oh, we almost got it again. Oh, we got him again. Oh yeah. The headless ghostman is still trying to find his head. Oh, there it is. Now you found it. All right, you found it now, I think. Here we go. We got Cruz Ramirez, 51. 51. Oh my gosh. It's time to go. Definitely scope them out right now, guys.
All right, guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure here at Summer Spook Nights. We saw so much cosplay, so many vendors. It was so great, dude. It felt like home. I love doing every bit of haunts, dude. So make sure you guys are right now subscribed, because I have a full-on haunt tour getting ready for every single one of you guys. We are like 2 weeks away from September, and now we are onward to the next fun and spooky adventure. Let's go.